Hi guys, it's Sheri and welcome back to Vlogmas day 21. My allergies are really bad today. Like, I woke up with a very stuffy nose and my throat is all, I don't know what it's doing. I thought it was a cold at first, but it doesn't, like, it doesn't feel like that. So yeah, also my hair was crazy, so I put it in a headband today. I'm wondering if I have really bad allergies because it is raining like crazy. There was a tornado watch this morning and it's just been thunderstorming all day. But right now I'm actually gonna bake some cookies that I can send out tomorrow to some of my family. Actually, I haven't even eaten anything today and it's almost 3 o'clock, so I really need to eat something. And then I am just gonna get all the ingredients together for the cookies I'm gonna make. So these are the cookies that I made. I didn't put that many on the baking sheet because I wasn't sure how much they would spread out. I will say that I did put these in the freezer first because the dough seemed really soft. So I put them in the freezer for maybe 5 to 10 minutes. And I like the size of them, actually. They are really tall, but I don't mind that. I actually like a really tall cookie. And they smell amazing. They smell like really chocolatey and kind of pepperminty, given that they are chocolate peppermint cookies. But I will link this recipe down below. I have never made this before, so I don't like to put recipes that I've never made on my blog, just because I have no idea if they taste good, but they do smell amazing. So I will definitely link this recipe. It's 6 o'clock right now, and I am meeting my friend Amanda for dinner. We're going to this place near our apartments called Toasted. It's a grilled cheese place. So I'm currently remaking cookies because halfway through making this batch the first time, like halfway through baking them, I realized that I had put in like 3 times as much butter as I really needed. I don't know what I was thinking. And I got really lucky because the butter that I had left in the fridge was the exact right amount of what I actually needed, so the correct amount of butter. So now I'm just remaking these cookies, which is so annoying that I didn't realize until I was baking them. Like, what a rookie mistake. Anyway, it doesn't even matter that I have to remake them because I'm still waiting for my quilt to finish in the dryer. It takes forever for the quilt to dry. So now I'm just jamming out to Hamilton and making these Christmas cookies so that I can send them tomorrow. Okay, you guys, so I remade the cookies and they turned out way better than the first ones. Now I can make my bed and go to sleep because now I finished. And I'm really excited because they actually turned out right this time. I don't know why I didn't recognize it the first time, but let me show you. Here they are. They look way better than the first ones I made. I remember looking at them when they came out of the oven and I was like, wow, I really messed up. But these look way better and I can't wait to ship these off to my family. I don't think they watch my videos, so they have no idea this is coming. So like I said, I am just gonna make my bed and go to sleep. Again, I'm off tomorrow, so I don't know what I'm gonna do other than I have to go to the post office to mail this and a bunch of other stuff that needs to be returned. But I will see you guys all tomorrow for, oh my gosh, day 22 of Vlogmas. That's crazy. I can't believe I actually have stuck with this. Okay, I will see you guys tomorrow for another day of Vlogmas. Bye guys.